Hi everyone. Today I am here to present a tech talk on the topic Biomaterials in Sustainable Construction. Myself, Amna K. Sonu, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Vedavesa Institute of Technology. Biomaterials. Biomaterials are defined as materials that interact with the living systems. Considering this very explanation, we can go back in history to see if and how biomaterials have been involved in the construction industry. Materials like timber have been used as construction material for a long time. This natural resource has been instrumental in framing, roofing and flooring of structures for centuries. However, as time evolved, the development in chemical industry led human race towards more synthetic construction materials. In spite of this progress, biomaterials have always been a part of the construction. In order to obtain advanced construction materials with enhanced capabilities, chemicals sourced from natural resources were also frequently used. Today, we are rolling back to our long past history and there is a direct search for biomaterials that can fulfill our needs. World is looking for more suitable solutions to our problems in natural resources. This search is vital for us and our generation to come. The construction industry is responsible for 40% of the global CO2 emission. So the responsibility falls on the industry to make dramatic changes to improve its sustainability. New biomaterials are being created using waste products and microbes to solve these ecological problems. Increasing knowledge about microbiology and synthetic biology techniques is now allowing innovative biomaterials to enter the market. So, the biomaterials. Biomaterials are processed or engineered bioproducts obtained partially or fully from renewable bio-based resources. The term biomaterial is used to describe the building materials derived from living organisms including plants, animals and fungi. They are becoming increasingly popular among designers and architects due to their environmental performance. Cruelty-free production, biodegradability, storage of CO2 during their useful lifetime, and lowering the embodied carbon footprint of buildings and products. Biomaterials have the potential to provide construction materials with the following benefits or properties. They are capture and storage of carbon extracted from atmospheric CO2 by recent photosynthesis, sustainable production, biodegradability at the end of life, low or almost zero linear coefficient of thermal expansion, high vapor diffusivity, usually high specific heat capacity, low thermal diffusivity, often good performance to weight ratios, lower embodied energy. Some of the applications of biomaterials in construction industry are self-healing concrete, mycelium insulation, chipboard made from food waste and artificial mother of pearl. Common biomaterials. Biomaterials are being abundantly used in the construction industry in one form or the other. As mentioned earlier, some biomaterials like wood are being employed directly, however some are being chemically modified to optimize material performance. They are obtained from a wide range of natural resources like animals, plants, soil and industrial biotechnical processes. Now let us discuss some of the common biomaterials used in our construction industry. They are living cement, magic mushrooms, hempcrete, algae, chitin, wood, bamboo, leather alternatives, bioplastic, linoleum, coke, straw, etc. First one, living cement. Cracking in concrete is an accepted common phenomenon in concrete structures. However, cracked concrete may result in serious leakage and reinforcement corrosion issues. Extremophile bacterial spores are added to a standard concrete mix. When in contact with water, the bacteria will multiply and start to produce limestone. Due to the formation of limestone, cracks are autonomously repaired, preventing the leakage and protecting the reinforcement. The second one, magic mushrooms. Mycelium, which forms part of the root structure of mushrooms. Mycelium is the vegetative part of a fungus made up of masses of branching, threaded shoots called hyphae that grow in soil. The material can feed on low-grade agricultural waste and sequesters carbon stored in the biomass as it grows. Various products are mycelium-based insulation panels, mycelium bricks, packing material, furniture, leather-like fabric, etc. And the advantages of magic mushrooms are fire and pest resistant, useful for acoustics, and efficient thermal control. And the third one is hempcrete. Hemp is a type of cannabis plant and that is grown for medicinal and industrial use. Hemp grows extremely quickly and is more effective than trees at sequestering carbon. The plant's strong, stiff fibers can be processed into a variety of commercial goods including paper, textiles, bioplastic, food and biofuel as well as industrial and construction products. Architecturally, the hemp is most often processed into hempcrete. This is formed from the woody inner part of the plant stem, which is mixed with lime, water and sand to create a material that offers excellent thermal and acoustic insulation while acting as a carbon sink. And the fourth one is algae. Algae is an umbrella term for a group of photosynthetic organisms that mainly live in water. This includes seaweeds and kelp, which are the most important sources of oxygen in water and together are responsible for storing and sequestering more carbon than land plants. Algae is often processed into bioplastic polymers which can then be used as a replacement for fossil plastics. The material has also been gaining popularity within the fashion industry for its use as a bioplastic. And the fifth one is chitin. Chitin is a fibrous substance that forms the exoskeleton of crustaceans and certain insects as well as the cell walls of fungi. The material is the world's second most abundant biopolymer. But to use chitin, it must be chemically extracted before being processed into a usable material. Due to the difficult extraction process, commercially available versions of chitin such as chitosan are typically expensive. And the sixth one is wood. Wood is a renewable material that offers low carbon alternative to concrete and steel. Due to its highly machinable, lightweight structural tissue, which is strong yet flexible, wood has historically been used to construct furniture and products as well as small houses. Recent advances in engineered timber, also known as mass timber, has allowed the material to be used at larger scales. Next one is bamboo. Bamboo is the fastest growing plant on the planet, making it both affordable, rapidly renewable and capable of sequestering large amount of carbon. Its canes lend themselves to creating light, flexible structures that can resist natural disasters such as earthquakes and hurricanes. Leather alternatives. Leather alternatives are increasingly rising in popularity. These are typically made using renewable biomass sources such as vegetable and food waste. But some designers have also used waste from industrial agricultural process to produce their materials. Vegan and leather alternatives including mycelium leather, milo and leaves, which is made from waste apple cores and skins from the production of cider and apple juice. Bioplastics. Bioplastics are polymers derived from biological and renewable sources as opposed to plastics made from fossil fuels. Polylactic acid, PLA is the most common bioplastic. It is typically made using cornstarch or sugarcane. PLA is widely used as printable filament in 3D printers, where PLA filament is fed through the printer and melted at high temperatures to create malleable substance that is printed into the desired form. Linoleum. Linoleum is biodegradable material made from plant-based materials including linseed oil, pine resin, coke dust and sawdust. The material is typically used as a floor covering due to its durable and resistant characteristics. The material was first patented in 1860 when rubber manufacturer Frederick Walton discovered linseed-based paint formed a tough and flexible film on its surface. Most linoleum today is derived from linseed oil, which is extracted from flax seeds and then mixed with materials such as coke and wood dust. Coke. Coke which is gathered from the outer bark of the coke oak tree is a popular material among designers and architects due to its combustible and easily harvestable qualities. Coke House used sustainably sourced coke blocks to build its 5-volume structure, which was supported by timber components. Straw. Straw is an agricultural byproduct that is comprised of the dry stalks of cereal plants after the grain has been harvested. The material is often used in construction and offers homes a renewable biodegradable form of insulation. Biomaterials from waste. There is a growing awareness of the waste and pollution caused by the building industry. New biomaterials are being created using waste products and microbes to solve these ecological problems. Various biomaterials are from industrial waste, mining waste, mineral waste and agricultural waste. Enzymes, biopolymers, biosolvents, pigments, organic acids, wood waste or sawdust, waste paper and waste cotton converted into high-tech biomaterials or bioadsorbents for gold recovery from a dilute solution are some of the biomaterials derived from various waste products. Sustainability calls for building of future infrastructure that meets the needs of present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Bio-based materials provide a solution to our environmental problems. They produce fewer greenhouse gases and are far less toxic pollutants over their lifespan as compared to their synthetic counterparts. One of the key strategies for green sustainable construction is the use of reusable and sustainably managed biomaterials and finishes made from the use of agricultural waste and other byproducts. Also, biomaterials provide a solution in terms of their biodegradability, which is a major concern. These bioproducts eliminate waste production and hence solves the waste dumping issue. So, it can be concluded that the biomaterials that are being explored for use in the construction industry are diverse and varied. Biomaterials have potential to provide construction materials with various benefits. Biomaterials are becoming increasingly popular among designers and architects due to their environmental performance. With innovative applied research, these biomass waste can be turned into more value-added products. Thank you.